Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing an acrylic pour for Libby and Abby, the two teenagers who were murdered in Delphi, Indiana. Going to light a candle. And I've chosen colors today based on Libby and Abby's birthday. And how I found the colors was from a book, Color Astrology, and I've marked the pages. This is the color for Abby, Bright Aqua, Gentle, Strong, Creative. And this is the color for Libby. Her birthday is December 27th. Turkish Tile, Protective, Idealistic, Expressive. Let me just go back to the other birthday, which I didn't mention. Her birthday is June 23rd. All right, so this is the color on the left. Here's their pictures. You can find information online. Now, this looks like a hot mess. But what I did, I mixed the colors last night, and I didn't want to leave the cups exposed because there's no lids on these. So I cut out some circles of a catalog. Any catalog will do. I punched a hole in the middle, and I placed it over just to have like a lid. Now these are stirrer sticks. Actually, not, I'm sorry, they are straws with like a little cup. I really find them really great. They're long. I don't have to place my hand near the cup and get paint, but of course you want to wear gloves. You want to wear protective eyewear in case any paint splashes. You can wear a mask if you want. I have ventilation. I'm going to leave a window open. So these are great. I know. They're just little circles. I also used a coffee filter. So the other colors I'm using, and I will list them in the description. Liberty's middle name is Rose, so I chose a pink for a rose. And Abby's middle name is Joyce. I chose Joy color, which is orange. So I have a mixture of different brands, and I've mixed up with my fake Floetrol. Now this I call fake Floetrol. It's not in any way criticizing this brand, but it's a latex paint additive and extender that I'm using. And I bought this at the Sherwin-Williams store. And it's real thin, but I really liked my airbrush medium. But unfortunately, I spilled more than half the bottle on the floor, not realizing the lid was off. So there's the airbrush medium, not too much left. I'll have to buy some more. So today I've decided to do an open cup. 2 cups, one for Libby, one for Abby, to which I'm going to use this Golden brand metallic paint, and I've decided to add yellow. You know I like yellow, but I don't like a lot of it. I just want to brighten up the painting, and I've also mixed up some white. I did add a little bit of water to the paint and the fake Floetrol, as I'm calling it from now on. And I have this color I also got at Sherwin-Williams, which is a mixed, kind of a misfit color. Alright, so I'm going to put my cups down. These are just yogurt cups, and they have this cute little lip, I guess you would call it, and I can push the paint around. I've covered my marble tray with the press and seal. So I'm going to start adding Liberty's colors. little by little. I'm going to add that bluish color, the pink. To that I will add some of this gold. It's a little bit thin. I add a little bit of white. And then I'm going to add Abby's colors, the green. I'm going to add the gold next because of the, now it is starting to move, I know that, but that's okay. We'll see what, whoops, some orange. Let's do a little bit of yellow now. Yellow, yellow. Let's do some more. Let's just actually go and move them around together because they were friends. I added 2 drops of silicone to these colors, and I'm going to add some more of this paint around. Might be a little bit thick, I'm not sure. That's okay. I'm going to add some more of pink, some orangey, and let's add some more of this gold. A little bit thin, yeah, that's okay. I'm just going to move it around here. I'm going to torch it. The blue's not really coming out, but that's okay. We're just going to leave it like that for now. Just going to put my cups down. Now I'm going to torch it with a heat gun, and always have some paper towels on hand to wipe your hands off if you like. Alright, here we go. Can actually move it around a little bit. It's really pretty. I'm going to stop. Alright, it's very pretty. What I'm going to do is add, just throw some of this color on with the stick. I call it a stick. It's really a straw. I just can't get that right. Alright, let's get this metallic, which I didn't mix a lot of the metallic because I thought it would overpower, but it's actually not overpowering this one bit. Alright, fine. And let me just try something real quick. I'm going to take this straw. It's some of the paint. No, the blowing doesn't work. Might be okay with powder. That's why I actually bought these sticks. Oh, this is very pretty. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is just take a little more of the gold. I mean, this is not gold, the orange. Just add. Alright, very good. Not a lot of white came through, that's fine. I like the colors a lot. I'm going to just tilt it, bring it. I always bring it back to the middle. I'm going to go this way a little bit. Alright. Go this way, come back. I'm just going to let it sit here quite just a minute because I'm getting more of the pink, and that's fine. Just going to just pour some of the orange in on the edges. I wanted it to be more covering. I'm not sure if I added enough paint, but that's fine. I think it's really pretty. I really like it. Gonna just add some more of this gold metallic. Now this is Golden brand. Gonna heat it again. Of course, wipe your hands, have your paper towels ready. Let's tilt it one more time. Just tilt some of that off. Come back to the beginning. Do that a little bit. And then I think I just want to leave it and maybe just bring out some of this with even the white. Alright, let's see. I think I want to add us a little dab of green there. Just bring it over the edge. Bring up some of this sides here. Just let it come over. You know, I like the acrylic pouring, but I don't want to lose any of the paint ever. I just think it's so pretty. So I'm a little conservative with, you know, the way I handle this, which is fine. We all have learning to do, right? Just do a little bit there and maybe a little bit, and that's fine. And then I'm going to come around and look at the front here. Not sure what that is. There we go. Really easy to fix. So, now think how different this would be if I used a white background instead of this taupe color. Now this is just a really nice to hold glass jar from Aldi's for coffee. It's instant coffee. It's the coffee I like, and it's like a taupe color. I love taupe. It just, to me, goes with, blends with everything, and I do like it. So, alright. Then I'm going to stop fooling with it. I'm just going to let it sit here. And I do like the cells. They're bigger. I'm going to heat it one more time. First I need to wipe my hands off. It's a very messy craft, so you're going to be surprised that you'll be cleaning up a lot, but it's so beautiful and fun. I really love it. I think I'm going to remove one of my gloves and just pick up my heat gun again. I'll be trying a torch in the future, but for now I have my heat gun. Whoop. Not sure what happened. I might have turned it off. Hold on one second. Whoop. Alright, so I'm messing with the light. And give me 1 second here, guys. I think I might have tripped something. I'm not sure, but all right. So we're lessened a light. Let me just see. Yeah, I think the light might have gone out. Not sure if it tripped it. All right. So here we are. What do you think? I think it's really, really pretty. It's very balanced. Of course, the pink is the pop color. I don't see a lot of orange, but that's fine. I think it didn't get muddy at all too much. I mean, maybe slightly. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just going to leave it sit now. And again, here's the picture of Libby and Abby. And you can check out all the information on abbyandlibby.org, the Indiana State Police. And please, let's try to solve this case. I really appreciate that you tuned in today. I'm so happy that you're here. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.